If you want to make a perfect balloon decor for Halloween, you gotta make this balloon spider. You want to know how? Let's do it. The tools and materials you will need are 2 bags 6-inch link-o-loons, 1 bag 12-inch link-o-loons, 5-inch black balloons for ends of the legs, for body, a 17-inch balloon and a 24-inch black balloons, scissors, balloon pump, hand or electric, low temperature glue gun, vinyl or paper cutouts for eyes and fangs. How to make the spider? First, inflate your 6-inch link-o-loons. Inflate 2 at a time and tie them together. Then use the links to tie them together, 8 per leg. Try to keep them around the same size. They don't have to be perfect. Next, inflate 12-inch link-o-loons, 2 per leg. Tie 2 together, then tie 1 pair to each leg. These will be our tops of the legs. To finish each leg, inflate a regular 5-inch balloon and tie it to the end. This way, you don't have a tail hanging at the end. Optionally, cut the necks of each pair of balloons for a cleaner look. The ends are small, so you don't have to cut those off. Let's make the body. Inflate and tie together a 17-inch balloon and a 24-inch balloon. You can leave the 24-inch balloon a little egg-shaped so it looks more like a spider. Now we can attach our legs. Tie 6 legs to where the body and head meet, 3 on each side. For the last 2 legs, use a low temperature glue gun to attach them farther back on the body. Make sure to use a low temperature glue gun. A regular one will be too hot and will pop your balloons. And for the final touch, let's give our spider a face. We're using vinyl cutouts made with Cricut machine. If you do not have a Cricut, you can just cut out paper and tape or glue it to your spider. We gave him 2 sets of eyeballs and a big pair of fangs. And here you have it! It took us about 1 hour to create this adorable spider. You can add it to your balloon garland or use it by itself. If you want to learn more about balloons, make sure you check out our other videos. And I will see you in the next one.